Hey guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a random number in Picker and Scratch. So first we'll go to variables and make a variable called number. Now we'll go to when green flag clicked, and you only need one block of code for this. So set my variable set number to pick random 1 to 10, and that is super easy to do. And you also can go and say my number, say number for 2 seconds, 1. So it says 1, it says 5, so we could hide the number variable. So it's 4, 10, 6, 5, 2, 5, 8. So it's only 10, so it has a short range. So you could change this up to 100, even 1,000. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.